At night, we cannot see the ship, its shape, or its size to identify it, and therefore we use the lights.
By reading these lights correctly, we can immediately understand what type of vessel it is, what it is doing, and whether we should keep clear or not. Let us start with Rule 23, which deals with power-driven vessels underway. A power-driven vessel underway is any vessel using her engines and not at anchor, not aground, and not made fast to the shore. Such a vessel shows three main types of lights. First, the masthead light. This is a white light, visible from right ahead to 22.5 degrees abaft the beam, on both sides. This light tells us one simple thing: the vessel is under power. Next are the side lights. The red light is on the port side, and the green light is on the starboard side. Each side light is visible from ahead to 22.5 degrees abaft the beam. At the stern, the vessel shows a stern light, a white light, visible over 135 degrees astern. For vessels less than 50 meters in length, only one masthead light is required. However, vessels of 50 meters or more must carry two masthead lights, with the after masthead light placed higher than the forward one. So remember, if you see red, green, and white lights together, the vessel is under power and moving. Now let us move on to Rule 24, which covers towing and pushing vessels. Towing vessels display special lights because towing restricts their ability to maneuver. A vessel engaged in towing shows two white masthead lights in a vertical line. In addition, she shows side lights, a stern light, and a towing light. The towing light is yellow in color and is placed above the stern light. If the length of the tow exceeds 200 meters, an additional masthead light is shown. This warns other vessels that the tow is long and extra caution is required. Now, let us look at Rule 25, which deals with sailing vessels and vessels under oars. A sailing vessel underway shows only side lights and a stern light. She does not show a masthead light because she is not using engines. Small sailing vessels may show combined red and green lights at the masthead for better visibility. A vessel under oars may show side lights and a stern light, or at least a white light to be seen by others. Now comes a very important point. If a sailing vessel uses her engine, even slightly, she becomes a power-driven vessel and must show the lights of a power-driven vessel. Let us move on to Rule 26, which applies to fishing vessels. Fishing vessels display special lights because their fishing gear restricts their movement. A vessel engaged in trawling shows green over white in a vertical line. This tells other vessels, "I am trawling with nets or dredges." A vessel fishing other than trawling shows red over white in a vertical line. If fishing gear extends more than 150 meters, an additional white light shows the direction of the gear. Here's a simple memory aid. Green over white, trawling at night. Red over white, fishing all right. Finally, let us understand Rule 27, vessels in special conditions. A vessel not under command shows two red lights in a vertical line. This means the vessel has lost control due to engine or steering failure and cannot comply with the rules. A vessel restricted in her ability to maneuver shows red, white, red in a vertical line. These vessels are usually engaged in operations such as cable laying, dredging, or underwater work. Their movement is restricted by the nature of their work, and other vessels must keep clear. To conclude, Navigation lights are not just lights, they are the language of the sea. Once you learn this language, you can instantly identify vessels at night, assess the situation, and take safe and confident navigational decisions.